Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can reset your UI doorbell camera, and when doing a reset actually becomes necessary. A reset is helpful if your doorbell keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, freezes in the app, stops responding, or if you're planning to sell or give the device to someone else. Resetting clears stored settings and ensures the camera starts fresh and secure. UI doorbell cameras support two types of resets. The first is a physical reset using the sync button on the device. You'll usually find this button on the back or bottom of the doorbell. Press and hold it for around 10 to 15 seconds until the LED begins flashing, then release it and allow the camera to reboot. Some newer models may reset faster and only require a few seconds until you hear a beep. The second option is resetting through the UI security app. Open the app, go to the device settings, and remove the doorbell from your account. Once removed, you can add it back again like a new device. This method works best for software-related issues. During setup, if the QR code doesn't scan properly, zooming in on the code or using a screenshot often helps. Always watch the LED lights as they show the reset progress and confirm when the camera is ready.